G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. What I've got here is a Shanghai chicken stir fry. Now there's a variety of ingredients in here. I've got some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, which is capsicum, mushroom, obviously chicken. Now I used an egg pasta for this, something a bit different. The good old greenery there, the spring onion, and the sauce is absolutely delicious. I'll finish it off with a bit of sesame oil, just a few drops. It's pretty powerful, but absolutely delicious. Now the pasta, the egg pasta, beautiful. Anyway guys, this is dedicated to Lien B. I hope you like this.